What's up my Shuggies, Ashley here, and in today's video I am so excited to officially be able to share my fall decor haul. I also have quite a few home updates and changes that I have made that I am super excited to share with you guys. So if you're interested in seeing this video, then just keep watching. All right, you guys, we are starting off in the front room and I'm going to show you all of the new updates that I have done throughout the home, including fall decor. In case anyone is wondering, the best comfy, cozy outfit ever. This is a bodysuit and sweatpants set from Aerie or American Eagle. I don't know, it's the same app or website. These are the softest sweatpants you'll ever try on in your life. I got them in black and gray. Just a note, I will link them in the description box below, and they run super big. These are an extra small. Now back to the decor, I decided to go ahead and transplant my beautiful uva stocks that are from Hobby Lobby, which they always have during the fall season. I have these just in a little black planter, which you can see right here is from Home Goods, and I love it because I feel like it really complements this front room with this beautiful oversized gold mirror. This is also from Home Goods for those of you wondering, and my favorite Urban Outfitters shaggy checkered rug. I think this is the most gorgeous rug in the world. I don't know why I still have the tag on, but this is a 5x7 size. In case you are wondering, it's perfect for an entryway, and it is in the color Tapis, T-A-P-I-S. But I love it. It does come in other colors if you're not into the black and white checkered. I believe it's a beige and maybe a red or a green. But I just love the way that this looks simple, a little bit modern and organic. And you will notice throughout the house that I'm continuing to do that, keeping things nice, light, and simple. Now, moving on to the entryway, I haven't done a ton here other than changing out those sticks for the pampas grass. I wanted it again to be a little more simplified, organic, and modern, and I feel like it's really encompassing that. I also want to do a DIY wooden frame to encase this canvas in, but I love the way that the pampas looks. I felt like it was a little too monochromatic with just those raw sticks in there. And by the way, if you are obsessed with candles as much as I am, this one from Hearth and Hand from Target in the Harvest Spice will change your life. As you can see, I'm almost completely done with it, and I just bought it like 2 weeks ago. Now, moving on to these shelves, which I love in the living room. I didn't do anything crazy. I just added a couple of pumpkins that I found from Home Goods on the shelves just to give them a little bit of a subtle fall look and fall vibe. These velvet ones from Home Goods are my favorite, and they of course leave the tag on there. I don't even know the price or why that's on there, but they were $12.99. They have them in literally every single color in the world. So no matter what your aesthetic is, no matter what your decor vibe is, you can find some to match your aesthetic and color scheme. I love this little one that I found right by checkout because of course it's checkered print, and I loved mixing that with this box. So tons of fall pumpkins that don't have to be colorful if you love the neutral tones in your home. Moving on to the couch, I did a little bit of a fall upcycling with these pillows that I found, both of them on clearance. I literally just got them. They are absolutely gorgeous. This one, I do have to do a tiny little repair. This is actual leather on top of a piece of fabric, so I really love the dimension and texture that it brings. And then these I love. They were on clearance as well. This is a little bit of a velvet piece with a striped linen print, and I just think they're really nice and warm, cozy. They bring a little bit of texture and that warm vampy color to the couch. And if you guys have been following me, you will know this is my Tanavi couch from Ashley Furniture Home Store. I still love it. I still think it's amazing. It is like the perfect quintessential color. And the best part is it's completely customizable. I will leave, of course, that in the description box. It's under my essentials. You can get it any way you want it. And I've had a ton of questions about this exact layout, which you can get, but I did have to go in store. So it's 2 end pieces, 2 single pieces, and then 2 ottomans, and that gives you almost 200 inches in length. It's the perfect setup for an open floor plan. Moving on to my sitting area, nothing new here. I left everything the exact same. I still love my Sarah Brooke piece, kept it simple in that area. And then on the back console here, I just changed up a few pieces of the books and the bowl, again trying to keep it very minimalistic. I actually also want to change this out and do one of those really cute acrylic stands where you can just lay out the book a little bit taller and more open. I think that'd be super cute and super simplistic as well. And for those of you asking, this piece is also from HomeGoods. I do feel like with the couch being as big as it is, I probably needed something a little bit lower and a little bit longer. But you know what? It's going to do just fine for the time being. If you happen to be into doing super minimalistic stuff, bowls like these you can DIY yourself, or this one is from Target. They're super easy to find at places like Target and Amazon if you're into that neutral, simplistic, simple vibe. Now moving on to the dining area, I again kept this super simplistic by changing out these chairs to a little bit more of a modern chair, and then put my little gray Kirkland's vessel in the back on top of that pedestal, and just a simple oversized black bowl from HomeGoods. And I'm loving the way that this is turning out. This isn't my ideal vessel, but I'm just trying to get an idea of size, texture, height, and color to see what I want. That may be something I end up painting or DIYing, but I'm really liking how simple this is. I also removed the carpet, so it gave it a little bit more of a seamless, simple finish. And moving into the kitchen, I am so obsessed, you guys, with the fluted glass right now. So I happened to score a really good deal at HomeGoods for this twin pack of fluted baby glass vessels. It did come with a little wooden tray that they sit on top of and kind of nestle into, but I just put it on top of this really cute marble tray from Target, and these are from Target as well. Same exact thing, they come with a little wooden vessel that they sit in, but I wanted to just put everything on this little trivet tray together, and I love the way that it looks. It looks so cute and simple and modern and organic to me, and I feel like it just fits perfectly with the cutting board and the rest of the kitchen. So I of course will link these, and I'm gonna see if I can find something similar because these are absolutely amazing. And for both of them, plus the little stand that it came with, it was only $12.99. As far as my coffee bar area goes, I kept it the exact same with the oversized board and just my little riser from Target, which I absolutely love, and my little black and white canister, which is a set I got a super long time ago from HomeGoods, and then this beautiful little gold accented piece, which is from Target. Next up is the pantry. I've definitely done some changing around and upgrading in this. This is one of my favorite places in the entire world because I can organize everything perfectly. So some really nice simple upgrades that I made were a couple of decor pieces. I decided to house the other canisters that match the coffee canister up here, as well as my really nice bread container. And then I organized some more snacks and got these canisters from the Home Edit line at Walmart. I also love these new additions from Costco. I think it was like 16 bucks for the 4-pack, which is really nice. And I love the clear component because that helps me see and keep everything organized and stocked up. And then this little bad boy right here, which is perfect for all of your little small accents in the pantry, your seasonings, your packets, all of that sort of thing, to organize them perfectly and upright. I also decided to change up this whole area and make it more of a drink station with this super cute honey glass container from World Market and these beautiful Libby glasses, which I'm sure you've seen all over my Instagram from HomeGoods. I also took this simple Lazy Susan and put all of my most used spices and backstock and labeled the bottom and put them on this adorable little Lazy Susan so I can easily access them anytime. So this is currently what my pantry is looking like. I always am reorganizing and removing things, trying to make it easier to access, and of course keep everything stocked up. So let me know what you guys think of the little baby revamp of my pantry. As for the guest bath, I didn't do a ton of updates. I did add a couple of pumpkin accessories throughout, and I did remove that pampas, as you could see in the entryway. So I tried to simplify everything in this bathroom and just make it as minimalistic as possible, leaving the only things on the shelves and then the soap dispenser and washcloth on the countertop. Moving on to what was the guest bedroom, I did a little bit of revamping, and I just now have this as my little extra room and office. So it's a little hodgepodge of everything, to be honest, but I still have my little console and TV. I absolutely love this. I did incorporate a little bit of the pumpkins, like I mentioned, for the fall season, and then I have a really cute little pumpkin over here that I love. It's velvet, and then it has a little touch of iridescence sewn in throughout with a little glittery stem. Super cute and plush, and again, I think around 12 bucks from Home Goods. Now, this little area over here I love, and this is just a little area that I created with a super simple acrylic desk. These ottomans from Home Goods, and then I got this actually on clearance at Home Goods as well, and then this little domain mirror that I painted black. I do also want to mention this super cute laptop holder that I got from the Container Store. It is perfect for your office to set it up, have your desktop and your laptop in the same space and area, whether you edit videos or just simply want to have more than one monitor. I think it's a really nice addition, so I of course will link this below. I really love it because it has this nice handle at the top, so it's easy to travel with. It's super duper sturdy, and it has a really nice lip on the edge here, which will keep your laptop safe from sliding down. And last but certainly not least, I have not made any fall touches to this room, but I did do a little bit of decor rearranging. These beautiful baskets that are from Home Goods, and they are total dupes for the Serena and Lily baskets. I absolutely love them. They are perfect for storing shoes, clothes, bags, anything like that that you need to cover up if you want everything to be nice and cohesive. I also did a little bit of rearranging with this Bird of Paradise faux plant, and of course this area is the same with these amazing chairs from Home Goods. These are like the best find ever. I also am obsessed with this accent table because it has a beautiful finish as well as a little bit of a brass gold accent. I also decided to go ahead and take up the carpet just so that the room could have a little bit more of an open feel and look to it. Again, keeping with that minimal cohesive look. Let me know what you guys think. Is this something you guys do in your home? I'm always changing things up. All right, you guys, that is going to wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, I will leave everything linked in the description box down below. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that post notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I upload new videos. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.